in Christmas times. We'll be chilling and having a good time. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the wind blows and the rain is pouring. It will always be.
Merry Christmas, we love you. Looking at myself, just in a broken hand below. We can't self and broken. If you can recognize, you can be our friend. We can send you wandering friend do. Just a little hand goes looking in my friends. We don't want to save me, looking in my hand. Oh, we could be my friend again. No, just talking to myself. Oh, we couldn't land in frame, just a lane. We couldn't frame, you know it can send. We couldn't know land, just in a frame. We couldn't know land, so right. That you know when I self. We couldn't know a saving couldn't blame me. Here we go, we could chase you in loaning. Oh, we could say, oh no, let's go and our friend now go, oh, just a sign. We couldn't friend and looking us and.
Tapos na yung concert ni Holly. Ayun na pala yung ating chocolate cake. And eto, meron akong ginawa. Kailangan ko mag-vlog. Walang bilis talaga ng oras! Grabe siya.
I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is my favorite holiday. It's a chance to start.
Kumuha ko ng gloves.
Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the
Meron ako ditong minaot na chocolate. Ayan. Ooh, dumi. Gamit tayong gloves para hindi mag-melt yung chocolate. Ayan. Minalt ko lang ito tapos. Ngayon. Ano natin siya. Ayan, ganyan. Hindi naman kailangan ng even. Ito natin siya. Ang gagawin ko, ididikit ko dito guys. Ganyan ba? O, para naman, ano siya, maganda siya tingnan. Ganyan ba? Ganyan. Ano, dumikit? Ay, hindi siya dumidikit. Bakit? Dikit ka, please. Stay still. Kita at malagay ko agad to sa ref. Si Jan, alam niyo ba si Jan? Naglilinis. Nagnap lang siya sa saglit. Tapos, ayun, naglilinis na naman siya sa garage. Ganyan siya.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me.
Ayaw niyang dumikit. Bumababa sila. So, ang gawin ko na lang, gawa ko ng icing. Cream. Kasi, baka dun sa cream, mag-hold siya. Alright. Gawa ako ng cream. Okay, fail tayo dito. Fail. It's alright. Gawa natin ng paraan. Ooh. Alright, guys. Ooh, ang galing. Gawa ako ng cream. Ito na yung aking chocolate cream and yung aking mga tagadila. Ayun si Holly, si Kuya, binigay na sa kanya. So, gagawin ko na lang yum. Iko-cover ko yung ating chocolate ganache ng ito, sana maging successful.
Is this
So, ganun ko na lang.
Here. Would I put this in?
Yes, please. Ay, dito na lang sa gilid. Sa gilid na lang.
Have to get it on there. Mom, could you dip it in again so I can have a lid again?
No, that's it.
Please, please.
Yeah.
Whoa, oh, oh, la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, oh, 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 la da da da, making our Christmas.
Nagmamadali na ako, guys. Ayan na yung ating cake. Nagawa natin ng paraan. And now, lalagay ko na yung aking ginawang, ito ba yung chocolate na crack ko. Mag-gloves lang tayo. Hala, ang bilis, alas 5 na, wala pa akong meatballs. Huwag na siyang mahulog.
Miss memories. I've been working so much lately, I can barely find the time to sleep. Yeah, I spend my time running around, keeping people pleased. But this is what
Alis na si Kuya, guys. Alas 5 na kasi. Siya, good luck.
Is there lipstick on me?
Look what happened to my cake. Bumababa siya, guys. Yung chocolate na nilagay ko. Nauhulog kasi yung ganache sa ilalim. Di ba may para siyang palaman? Bumubuho siya. So, nadadala yung aking chocolate. I know, naglalaglagan. Kailangan ko nang gumawa ng meatball. Wala na.
I'm having chocolate.
Ganyan sana. Oh, maganda sana. Kaso, yung aking ganache. Ha? Yeah, alright. Nahuhulog. Naglalaglagan sila. Okay na yan. Importante yung lasa. Bonus na lang yung pagka-garnish nito. Hindi tayo naging successful. Oh, may ano pa to. May dikit. Ay, dumikit. Ano tayo maganda? Ay, pero ba't dumikit? Ano yan? Okay na yan, makakaraos din tayo sa cake. O yan na guys, o yan sana ang itsura niya. Kaso yung sa... Ayan. Kasi yung iba naglaglagan. Kasi yung ganache, ayan, oh, nahulog na siya dyan. Pero okay na yan. Ilagay ko na to sa ref. Gawa na ako ng meatballs kasi alas 5 na. Dinner time na. Mamaya na lang to. So, pero yan na yung itsura niya, guys. Ganyan na yung itsura niya. Wait, nahulog na naman. Ito yung sinasabi ko, oh. Kita ko sa inyo. Para kasi siyang may lava. Yung ganache na nilagay ko sa gitna, nagdi-drip. So, hindi na dumidikit yung ating cream. Dapat pala, next time. Okay lang yan. Natututo tayo. Pero, okay. First time kong gawin ng ganito, na may cream, tapos ganache. Pero yan na yung chocolate, guys. Oh, di ba? Ganda sana. Kung naging successful to. Lilinisan ko. Ayan na, oh, yung cream. Nahulog na sila. Sana mag-okay na. Okay, lagay ko na yan sa ref. Ano na, guys? 5:10 na. Hindi pa ako nakakaluto ng ng meatballs. I-transfer ko muna to dito sa sa lalagyan. And yung cake, tinali ko, guys. So, tinali ko yung cake. Ayan. Ninagyan ko siya ng tali. Sana magstay. Ayan siya, guys. So, nilagyan ko na lang ng tali para kahit pa paano magstay sila. Stay together. Ilagay ko na ulit sa ref. The meatballs naman. Oh, not yet. Naligo na pala si birthday boy, oh. Smells good, right? Holly. Ayan na yung ating custard cake. So, ilagay ko na to sa ref din. Lagyan na pa ko naman paglalagyan niya. Okay na. Meron na siyang alright, meatballs.
Favorite holiday, it's a chance to start over new. Cause I missed you, so I'm letting go of everything but you. These are the good times with you. Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone else. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas.
Update, guys. Mag-aalas 7 na. Luto na pala yung aking meatballs. Ayan yung sauce natin para sa spaghetti. And nagluluto rin ako ng chicken fingers. And nandito na pala sila. Kylie, sila yung bisita natin, guys. Dito sila kasi gugupitan din niya yung mga boys. And late na yung dinner, 7 o'clock, pero ang liwanag pa sa labas, parang alas 4 or alas 5. Naglaro na yung mga bata doon. And si Kuya wala pa. Mamaya-maya pa yun si Kuya. Kailangan niyang umuwi ng maaga instead of 8. 8 dapat ang tapos ng party niya. Sabi ni Jan, uwi siya ng 7:30 kasi mapapagupit siya. So malapit na. And yung cake, hindi natin kumakapit yung cake. Pagkatapos ito, kainan na. Guys, tapos na ako magluto and hindi ko alam kung maririnig nyo ako kasi ang lakas ng TV plus Si Joe, may pinapanood siya sa Facebook na natatawa siya plus maingay yung mga bata. Anyway, ito yung handa ni Johnny Boy and nilabas ko lang saglit yung custard cake para makita nyo yung handa ni Johnny Boy. Ayan. Ito na yung spaghetti sauce, meatballs, and chicken. And yung noodles. And yung aking kumakapit na cake. Ayan yung kumakapit na cake, guys. So, yan na yung aming simpleng handa para kay Johnny Boy. So, yan, guys. Pakainin ko na sila, guys. Okay.
Yeah.
So, kids here? Yes. That's for adults.
What about Kobe?
Kobe can sit here.
Mom, I want to stand next to surfing.
Huh? Alright.
Surfing. Surfing sitting next to me.
It's alright.
Mom. Yeah. Move over a bit. Hold it. Move over.
Careful with my...
Go away.
When...
When I turn down your surfing set, I don't want to sit here.
23
Oh, God. No, I'm moving.
September.
No, I don't want to.
Huh? Get the other table, Zach. Yeah, the white table and get the chair.
I'm on it. Maybe. Okay, you guys go get it. Yeah, I can lift it.
Get white chair. Not that chair, love. We have the stool. As the kids.
Kobe, come up here and eat. Wait, I'm gonna get that table out there and sit here.
What table?
The small little kids table.
The round one, white one.
No, not the white one, the red and blue one.
What's this?
Custard cake.
Big one? Custard cake.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Right.
Vanilla custard.
Yeah, I think. Oh, sorry. Is this jelly at top? Kobe, you actually should.
Custard cake.
You haven't tried my custard
I
cake,
think
yeah?
he's taking real. Nope.
You haven't. Hoy! Adult! Look at this adult.
Yeah, I know. All on their phone.
Old people!
Old people.
You don't wanna come when I call adults, so I call them old people.
Dad. Dinner. There you go. He's up.
Wash your hands, son.
Yum. That's custard
That's-
cake, Dad.
Did you make that one too?
Yes.
You need to come to my house.
Sure, Joey.
Wait, where's the plate?
Here's for you. Oh no, here's yours.
Thank you. Thanks.
Holly, this is yours, Papa. All right.
Excuse me for.
Boy,
Yeah. I have the here.
Mommy, can you go get me some?
What's that? Here's the. What's that? What's that? All right, okay.
Oh, hi!
Yes.
That's what you're teaching.
Don't do that. Sit up properly.
Don't worry, it's all right. Hi, Kuya. How did you go?
Where'd you go?
How did you go? Nakala si Kuya.
Pizza.
Your pizza.
Full.
You're
He's
full.
sleeping there. Hey, me and Kate did this trick shot. Think he went way there, he threw it and missed and I jumped off.
Mom don't want to up here, right?
Because you're big boys, yo.
No, Kate won't be coming. Mom, can I have this? Can I have this? Yeah. Like, Kate won't be coming to our house.
Colby, you can
You want
get the cake here and put it there if you want. You want spaghetti?
Yes, thanks.
Dad! Dad, can CJ go to Kate's house?
It's not all just
What
spaghetti.
is it? Dad, can put... Dad, I don't want CJ here.
Spaghetti and meatballs.
Here's your...
Oh yeah, thank you.
Is this slime or not?
You can see here, so.
Oh, cool. This is all.
Oh, gladiator.
What's that? Gladiator.
Good food.
What's the light
Joe?
Oh, it's not cool. It's not the brand, but that's why.
I'll put that down while I make tea, no mint lolly.
Yung dalawang bata na dun sa living room.
That is good.
JJ, what's that? Rainbow. Me and Kobe want that. No, me and Kobe
You just want to
haven't
go
played it.
that.
How did you go there?
Yeah, good.
You look at your belly. It's sticking out. TJ's belly is sticking out, hon.
That sauce.
Wow. Nice.
Beautiful.
Hindi to Filipino, pero ginawa ko pa rin siyang Filipino style. Wala kasi ako yung Filipino style na spaghetti. Sophie came in. Chona, are you making Filipinos? Kasi po no, Italian sauce. Filipino. That's why I make something to make it like Filipino sauce.
Yeah, that's nice. That reminds me of the Subway when you have meatballs in your sub.
Ah.
That's nice.
Wow.
Beautiful.
That's going alright. Go
We're
with
letting them have that later.
Beautiful, Chona.
Great. I think you're happy. You like it?
I'm gonna be
Beautiful, man.
Alright.
Yeah, that's right.
Chicken!
I've already had some chicken, alright.
Chicken. Oh, you forgot it na.
I really gotta stop eating.
Joy's finished. Almost dessert.
I'm not having anything.
Alright, yeah, you're too full. Look at my cake, yeah. What happened to your face? What did you do?
Wait.
There.
It's just dirt. It's just dirt. It's probably running around everywhere getting dirt in this place.
Whose birthday was it, Ted?
Mom, I'm having mine now.
Not now, later, yeah, later. This is just a chocolate. You're having cake.
I thought you were talking about making chocolate.
Alright, you go, come on.
I think you can't eat anything dirty. What?
That's your baked palate.
Mine.
This is your
He's
palate.
weak, cheaper. You know what he said to my brother?
Excuse me, Holly.
I am a fat.
Good now. You know what I'm now? Like that.
What's that?
What?
Lollipop ring.
It's a ring pop.
Or ring pop.
I want a ring pop.
I had fun, TJ. Where'd you go, love?
Hi, Kelly.
No, I can get candy.
You say
Toby.
Yeah.
They told me to chug it, let me know you stop.
Why?
Did it? You know that when I got like that.
Don't go your
You ate it?
How's the candy? How's Mama, cold water.
cold water.
Where's Kobe? Not Lily.
Yeah, I'm
I thought you're done, Ko.
Thank you very
So did
much.
I.
Why did you try? It's alright. There's a lot of spaghetti. It's alright. I have a lot. Guys. It's alright. I have a lot of spaghetti.
Thanks, mate.
Sports don't feel.
Something you don't have to put in the microwave and set it up.
Do it. Do it. Dad, you want to do count?
Sabayan ko sila.
Wagyu beef.
Wagyu?
Yeah, Wagyu.
Good?
Wagyu.
Wagyu beef, yeah. Is it good?
Don't know.
Why was playing trouble with guys everywhere?
The wooliest one, next to the woolly. Is it nice, me?
I haven't tried it yet. That's from you.
Because last time, we ran out. So this time, we're not gonna run out.
Definitely not.
Drink?
No, I'm right, thanks. Thank you.
Side B.
Oh, so you're done, Sam.
Copying codes.
Don't call me the
Big boy, big feet, isn't that right, Jackie?
This is back in the day before there was even gums, mate.
If you get it hot, proof vaccination.
There's like one spot. I don't want to start another one with us.
I wish I liked enjoying cooking.
World War II.
You're lucky I enjoy cooking, Dad. Thank you, Chona. That was beautiful. I had 2 plates full. Shouldn't have done that. 1 plate full would have been plenty. Yeah, Jack, guess what? We're getting a new car.
Shooting first. Try not to shoot and then we can go. Or we bought a new car. Tomorrow night, Monday night, shooting.
Snow is set to fall today. It comes to say that Christmas is on its merry way. And for every single child, there's a gift on Santa's sleigh. The first flake of snow to fall today. The first snow this winter is promised for this day. It brings a hope of peace.
Tapos na silang kumain, guys. Ako hindi pa. Meron pang tirang spaghetti sauce and yung chicken akin na yan. Ayun yung aking pagkain. And then, nag-refill na ako ng noodles. Kasi 2 box na yung niluto ko this time. And si Jan, naghihintay na siya ng dessert. Sabi ko, tapusin ko lang yung aking kinakain. Nandun na sila. Ang iingay na nila, oh. Andun na sila, oh. And pinag-uusapan nila yung caravan. Okay, Jan, maghuhugas muna ako bago ko ikat yung dessert niya. So, hugas muna ako. Kaya naka-apron ulit tayo, guys. Hugas-hugas para malinis na yung kusina.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling
Doon
up.
na sila, guys, naghihintay na ng dessert. And si Kuya, humingi siya ng spaghetti kasi nagugutom siya. Naka-ready na yung aking candles. And tapos na ako maghugas. I-dry ko na lang yan mamaya. Pakainin ko muna silang dessert kasi kanina pa si Jan.
46.
I don't know, it's October.
Hey, I love you.
Oh, said on quick ad. Yeah, now Sophie's either a porn bot. Sit up here.
Happy birthday to Johnny!
You just walked right in front of the
Yeah, it's alright, no.
Hey!
I'm not gonna edit that.
I'm doing that candle.
Is that live?
Yeah. We're live, Joey.
Hi, welcome live.
Yeah, the whole entire world's gonna see it.
Alright. Okay, go. Wait, no, we gotta sing first. Come in, Kuya. Saki, yeah. Alright. Five.
Happy
birthday
to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Johnny. Happy birthday to you. Hooray!
Hooray!
Alright. Wish Mahali Chris.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Yay!
You know what? So we saw this shooting star
Really?
that just come for ages, right? And then it just split into two like that, and just like that, just went and just fizzed out.
Really?
But I went for ages through there.
Did you make a wish?
Did you make a wish, Joe?
Yep.
No, usually
What?
gets broken up and they go like that.
Oh, here's your spaghetti.
I saw 2 shooting stars last night when you came and got Jack and Shannon.
Cars were super cheap.
Christmas decorated in town. Among all the tinsel and lights, I'm strolling around, just wondering where you have gone to. Are you just around?
So, ito na yung cake, oh. Nakat na natin yan yung itsura niya. This is for Johnny Boy. Johnny Boy.
Thank you.
No, this is for Johnny. This one, I'll wait, I'll cut it.
Later.
Alright. Okay.
Now you talk.
Stop.
Here, Jack.
How was that?
So
Alright.
did you walk home?
Is it too sweet?
And
I walked there.
You should have right there.
Is it alright?
Do you want a spoon?
A fork.
A fork.
A boy.
Can I?
I need a fork.
You, when you laugh, it's like you're not breathing, Joe. Like,
Yeah, that's what happens.
I need a
He's
fork.
like, and then he.
You know, I remember once, Dad.
What are you laughing at?
Just hear me. No, we were having tea tonight. When I said you should go out for tea tonight, John, for your birthday, no? Well, Joe's mate's getting home. I didn't know what. You didn't say anything about us coming for tea.
Yeah, you did.
I didn't hear that.
Just come for tea, Chona, or do spaghetti.
I plain spaghetti. It's yummy.
How? You gotta have that beautiful sauce.
I
I'll have that,
Right.
please. I'll have that, it's alright. No, not that one. I'll have the one that was
Alright,
on the
okay.
table, because
Joey,
I'm not picky.
Thank you.
no worries. You've been eating chocolate candy.
Mm.
Over there.
You like
Thank you.
strawberries?
You want some?
Yes, please. You like strawberries?
Gosh.
Joe!
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh, shit.
What's he doing? Oh no, I understand.
What? What are you laughing at?
I don't know.
I'm laughing at myself. Yeah, it is. But wonky donkey. That is mine. Same here, that. I didn't.
Well, that's a good catch, man.
What?
You say that.
Marvin.
I dived in there like that. You just come down like, oh, I've caught it perfect.
Hey, Zach.
Now, huh? Wow. Custard cake, guys.
Is it very sweet, or is it like...
Custard.
The white one there.
That looks good, doesn't it?
Now you know why John didn't have 2 plates of food. For tea,
I,
right, Holly?
I had 2 plates of tea. I shouldn't be eating another piece of cake.
For good?
Good goose.
Good.
Thank you very much.
The goose?
Righto.
That's nice, that's not rich, like you know what I mean?
Yeah, it's not too sweet. It's not.
It's not like a sour
Oh.
sweet.
Nice.
That's beautiful.
You like it?
I just
What's
like
it
the
called?
peanut.
Pat leche flan.
Leche flan.
So,
How do you make this?
Karen, wasn't it?
That's leche flan.
leche flan. It's an egg.
No, I like it, please.
You want what? You want more cake? More cake.
Karen, wasn't it?
Yes, Dave.
More cake for Saki.
I'm not going to
It sounded like you said electric pen.
Pretty weak. Now, it's not condensed milk and all that sort of stuff.
Like egg yolk, condensed
Have some
milk.
more cake. No.
More cake? Oh, okay. I'm so
I don't know now.
More
Egg yolk.
cake.
More cake, please.
Just yolk. Just yolk and you.
Oh,
And
cake,
condensed
please.
Condensed milk and
Oh.
What do you think of that, Kylie? You finish yours?
You're not gonna have an oven big enough and carry
mine. Where's my
What
Mom,
I cannot bake this.
all the cooking that she does. I mean, like,
Should be able to do cooking
I
caravan.
know.
I
but
can
like,
make like this, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can mine
No, but like, how she
Cake,
cooks
alright.
lots of things.
No, what you should get is one of those air fryers.
strawberry.
They've probably got one.
Guess what?
An air fryer.
Yeah, but that's more weight.
Yeah, it just dries it up that way.
Welcome.
Ours done.
Ours
Ours
is
wicked.
Alright. Guys, ang gulo-gulo namin kanina. Magpapa-haircut na si Jan. Si Kylie, bibigyan ko siya niyan. Tapos, ito yung natira sa chocolate cake.
I'm laughing at your dad.
Yun mo si John. John.
They've got marble.
Yan. Magpapagupit muna siya tapos mamaya magpapakulay siya. Ubusin ko muna yung aking custard cake. And then maghugas ulit. Tapusin ko ito and then maghugas ulit. Silang gupitan, no? And not yet. Tingnan nyo yung buhok nila. Si Jan andun pa siya. Hinihintay niya pa kung anong oras niya babaldawan yung kanyang buhok. Si Holly magtitrim lang siya. Tapos nang gupitan yung mga bata, ito yung dadalhin ni Kylie na custard cake. Sara ko na yan. Maghuhugas na ako, guys. Date, guys. 11:24 na. Ayan. Ayan. Oh. Basta. 11:24 na. And, ayan. Nilinis ko na dito sa kusina. Na-dry ko na yung mga plato. Ito, tinira ko dito yung 3 baso kasi baka uminom pa sila. Kahit dito pa sila. Si Kuya natulog na kanina pa. And si Jan, na siya. Nakaligo na siya. And, ito yung mga tira pala, guys. Oh. Ayan, sa bahay to. Ayan, kay Kylie, sa bahay to. And yung cake, si Kuya nakatulog na. Bukas niya na lang daw yung kainin. Pagod si Kuya sa party. Holly, tulog na. Is Holly sleep? Oh, no. Hindi pa siya tulog.
Thanks, Joe.
Hi, Baba. Baba! Your toy. I know, it's 11, what time is it, Zach? 11:35?
Yeah, you're right.
Yeah, I'm right. 11:35. Tulog na si Holly, guys. They're going home na rin.
Thanks for cooking us tea, Chona.
No worries, Joe. As long as you like my cooking.
Of course I like your cooking.
See ya, Kobe.
See you, kitties.
See ya, Sophie. Alis na sila, guys. Yung box ko. Hindi ko alam kung kailan kukunin ni
Them bars. Where'd you get them from?
Coles. I'm sending to the Philippines.
Do you know what?
Toblerone.
Do you know
Yeah.
what I saw
Wait, what am I told again?
Kmart Day?
Toblerone.
Toblerone bar. This
Nakita nila yung chocolate na nandun pa. Kasi hindi ko pa nalagay sa box yun na. Asikasuhin ko na pala yan.
Where's my...
Siguro bukas.
Why are you sending the Philippines then?
For my parents.
Harry.
And may gamit pala ako, guys, na lip
Jacqueline,
tint
why don't you
na
watch the West Coast Eagles
yung
play?
brand niya naman ay Dasik. Pero nakalimutan ko yung ano.
Here.
Nakalimutan ko yung
Catch
shade.
later, Jackie.
Shade.
See you, John. See you, Chona.
See ya! See ya, everyone! See ya, Kylie!
Bye.
Yeah, see ya! Alis na sila, guys. And si
Yeah, I got the front door.
Holly. Kakargay na siya ni Johnny Boy. See ya! Yep. Thank you for coming.
Thank you for tea.
No worries.
See ya.
See ya. Don't forget your cake.
Oh, where?
There.
Huh?
The white lunchbox. You see the white one? Yeah, that one. Gustong-gusto niya yung chocolate na ginawa ko ba na minelt ko. Kanina niya pa yung kinakain. So yung sinasabi ko, mayroon akong lip tint na gamit. Yung Dasik yung...
I'll just roll home.
yung brand niya ay Dasik. Pero nakalimutan ko yung shade. kung anong gamit kasi meron siyang iba-ibang shades, guys. Ilagay ko na lang dyan, summer, kung anong shade to. Nandiyan pa rin siya. O, kanina pa to, diba? Okay, good night na, guys. End ko na yung vlog. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Happy birthday again, Johnny Boy. Baba, tulog na siya. Hindi siya nakapag-close ng vlog. Hindi niya na kinaya.
Still